SolidWorks is world-renowned for its ability to facilitate design, aid manufacturing processes, and produce instructional documentation across a wide range of industries. Our extensive suite of computer-aided machining software solutions integrate directly into SolidWorks to help you design and manufacture your products with confidence, whether you work with metal, sheet metal, or wood. Explore our metalworking suite with SolidCAM to easily command complex machines with precision, finite control, or employ SolidWorks CAM to ensure automated programming through intelligent feature recognition. If you're working with sheet metal, SigmaNest is not only an industry leader in sheet nesting, but it can also produce instructions for tube nesting, DSTV outputs, and bending to equip you with a full suite of tools for fabrication while reducing scrap to a minimum. The SWOOD Woodworking Suite addresses many of the challenges associated with furniture, point of sale, and cabinetry design, with simple tools to ensure the correct connectors are used and grain directions are suitable and nesting panels are managed effectively across your shop floor. Manufacturers across the world trust SolidWorks and its partners to help them enhance their efficiency, and as part of the TriMet Group, we support them throughout their product development journey. Discover how our CAM software solutions enable you to maximize your manufacturing potential in the demonstrations around our website, or book your own private demonstration to discover how we can help you reduce costs and enhance your efficiency.